Hi everyone, I'm YaYa and I want to thank you for continuing with me on this 14-day watercolor challenge. Today is day 8 and we're challenging you to just use 2 brushes, one big, one small. This is your minimalist brush day and you'll be surprised at what you can do when you keep it simple. I did a very simple landscape, and you know me in landscapes. But anyway, all I used was my snap brushes, size 6 and size 0. The background was all a size 6, and the grasses and trunks were size 0. So as always, keep it simple and have fun, and don't forget to share your pictures on the community post. Well, that's day 8. 2 brushes, endless charm. You didn't need a fancy setup after all. So on to day 9, we're going to keep it interesting and just slightly more challenging for this one. See you tomorrow. Bye.